Okay, what is the sound of D? Da da da! Da da da! See me play on my drums, playing drum with lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. What comes after D? E. What is the sound of E? Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Good. Clap for yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all?
Fine.
What is the name of our activity?
Addition.
Addition. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all?
Fine.
Very good. What is the name of our activity?
Addition.
Addition. Okay, Farzana, roll the dice. Okay, Abdul Rafi, tell me. Which number is this? Okay. Nurul Huda, take out the 4 balls and put it in the glass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now take out the 4 balls and put it in another glass. 1, 2. Okay. Farzana, take out the balls. 4. How many balls are these? 8. 4 plus 4 is equals to? 4 plus 4 is equals to? 8. Good. 4 plus 4 is equals to? 8. Now take out the balls. Count with us, class.
1, 2,
Okay, how many balls are these? 6. 4 plus 2 is equals to? 6. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Good. Okay, what is the name of our activity? Addition. Very nice. Okay, Sufyan, roll the dice. Okay, which number is this? Okay, 1. Okay, Sufyan, how many balls inside the box? 1, 2, 3. Okay, count the balls. How many balls are these? Naya, how many balls are these?
6.